walk with the brooms on their heads, buckets in their hands, and some at times blankets. And I said, I was telling someone, I said, do you think if, as much as we're kicking them away, right, saying they're taking our jobs, I, as a young black person, as a young person who wants a job, I wouldn't do that. And that's a fact that as young South Africans, no matter how unemployed you are, you wouldn't go around the streets selling brooms. So they didn't take your job. They made an idea of their own and it actually worked. But when it started manufacturing money, it now became a thing of they're stealing our jobs. And it's funny. It's funny because you didn't think about it before. So why are you thinking about it now? And even if you kick them, you still won't do it. That's the thing with us.
You don't know.
Which jobs are they taking from you? Who wants to do these jobs that these people don't pay for? Because these people who come from outside South Africa, they are the ones who do those jobs during harvesting season in Stellenbosch, where they are not paid anything. And you will never want to do that job because we know our rights. We don't want slaves' jobs. We want jobs that have got appointment letter with benefits, with pension funds, a letter that can confirm that you are economically active. Not jobs that are going to exploit South Africans. That's why you will never go back to take those jobs.